Hello friends, today's question. A body of mass 2 kg makes an elastic collision with a second body at rest and continues to move in the original direction but with 1/4 of its original speed. What is the mass of the second body? So we have two bodies. The body of first body mass is given as 2 kg. So let us say this is our first body m1 and it is moving with a speed of, let us suppose that is given as u, and we have second body, its mass is given as, let us suppose, m2, and which is at rest, so its velocity is 0. And this is the situation before collision, and after collision it says that the first body, that is m1, is now moving with the velocity which is 1/4 of its original velocity. Now it is moving by u by 4, and we assume that the second body, that is m2, is now moving with the velocity of v. So this is our before collision. And this is our after collision. So here we can write conservation of momentum, okay, as it is elastic collision. We can say conservation of momentum. Before collision and after collision momentum will be conserved. So we can say m1u plus m2 multiplied by 0 is equal to m1 multiplied by u by 4 plus m2 multiplied by v. And m1 is given as 2 kg. We substitute here, we get 2u is equal to 2 multiplied by u by 4 plus, and let us suppose, let m2 v. So we can, it becomes 2. So we can further write it as 2u minus u upon 2 is equal to m2v. Therefore, we get v is equal to, this will be equal to 3u divided by 2 m2. Let this be equation number 1. Now we can use the conservation of energy, the collision elastic. So you can say conservation of energy. So kinetic energy initial will be equal to kinetic energy final. So we have initial kinetic energy will be equal to half m1u square plus half m2 multiplied by 0 is equal to half m1 u upon 4 whole square plus half m2 v square. Now I put the value. This becomes half m1 is given as 2 kg. This will be 2 into u square is equal to half m1 is 2 multiplied by u square upon 16 plus half m2 v square. Now we can use also the equation 1, substitute value of v2. So we can say using equation 1 we get, so here 2 cancel out with 2, and this 2 and this 2 also goes, so we are left with u square is equal to u square upon 16 plus half into m2, and v square is our 3u divided by 2m2 whole square, and this becomes equal to as we can combine the like terms, so this will be u square 1 minus 1 upon 16 is equal to half m2, this will be 9 u square divided by 4 m2 square, and here m2 cancel out with this square and u2 cancel out with u square. So we are left with 15 upon 16 is equal to 9 upon 8 m2. So from here we can say our m2 is equal to 9 into 16 divided by 8 into 15, and we can cancel out, this goes by 2 and this goes by 5, so we are left with 6 upon 5. Therefore we can say that m2 is equal to 6 upon 5, which will be equal to 1.2 kg. So this is the mass of second body, and from the option number 2, sorry, B is the correct option. You can say that option B is correct. So this completes the question. Thank you.